American Horror Stories. So, expected na nakakatakot to. Kakapanood ko lang ngayon guys. Maganda siya. So, panoorin nyo. Ito yung sneak preview niya. Panoorin mo guys.
Hello, Jaslyn. Open the door.
What do you want?
I need to see you, Jaslyn. Please, open the door.
I'm not opening anything. You need to leave, okay?
Let me in, Jaslyn. Let me in now. Just open the door. You don't need to be afraid.
I'm calling the police if you don't leave.
The police have nothing to do with this. Please, it's cold out here. Jaslyn. Please.